Last time on the Adventures of V-Man,
We're here at Transformational Healing Universe in West LA, and we're about to get a whole lot of stuff done. I'm excited. Let's do this. Dr. Har Hari Khalsa is a chiropractor by trade. That's what he went to school for. So he has this device that's hooked up to a computer, and it basically, he runs it down your spine. And in doing so, it senses which vertebrae are out of line.
Basically a computerized testing and treatment protocol that's super specific. You know, each vertebrae is tested, so it's very precise, very accurate, and super efficient. So it's like 50% more effective than, you know, cracking. Because a lot of people, when they get adjusted, they'll resist, right? This breaks through resistance. So even the most scaredy cat person who's afraid of chiropractic, we can just tap them and, oh, I feel better. Yeah. They don't even know what happened. So it's fantastic.
Yeah. So I had quite a bit of things out of line in my spine, and he was able to show me that, and where the vertebra is out of line, it's like a red line on the computer. So then what he does, when he sees it, he pinpoints it in the right spot, and it just kind of like pulsates really quick on either side of the vertebra. So it's like a much less intense version of an adjustment. For anyone who's like super scared of the cracking sound, you hear nothing. It's just, it feels like a little pulsing massage, but he explained that like quick repetition is the same as the jerky adjustment. So if you have any fear about cracking, or you're scared of the quick motion that chiropractors do all the time, that's a really awesome therapy that he has, because a lot of people do resist, and that doesn't work for adjustments. So this just gets it all right there, and then your spine is aligned. How crazy is that? Then it was actually one of the last things I did at the Transformational Healing Universe. It was this super powerful infrared laser. He asked me if I had anything going on, and I have ringing in my ears because I listen to a lot of loud music. So he said, okay, well, let's do, target it towards the ears. He kind of hovered it around my ear on one side for 3 to 5 minutes, and then did the other ear.
This is a hot laser.
So I was like, I feel the heat.
Yeah, but it should be comfortable though. If it gets too hot, just let me know.
Okay.
So we'll just do like 3 minutes per ear.
He swears by this thing that it definitely helps to accelerate healing and decrease inflammation, and reduce pain overall. So it's definitely a thing that I think you have to keep doing over and over again to really benefit from it. But it was a cool experience. I gotta say, it was cool. So he has this room, and there's a BioCharger in it. The BioCharger is like it is a Tesla coil. You see electricity coming off while you're in the room, and you sit next to it.
That's going through every cell of your body right now.
Okay.
And yours too. This is going out about 30 feet, the energy for this thing. And the reason that sports people like John use it is because it helps with recovery, helps with performance. It enhances all functions of your cells. Human optimization. Yeah. And then the body heals itself. If you remove the interference and you clean up the diet, and you get them on a good lifestyle, they're going to be performing at a top level, no matter what they're doing. So that's kind of my philosophy, because I most doctors, they fall in the rut of wanting to treat people's symptoms, and that's low vibration.
So we sat down, he turned it on. It's definitely like, you'll hear some buzzing in your ear. It's a high pitched frequency. I don't know if it did anything for me. It does influence your energy, so I'm told. I can't say that I felt anything from it for me personally, but he has done a lot of work with people who really, really benefited from it.
So our website is thuheal.com. Our office hours we're open Monday through Friday, noon to 6, and by appointment on Saturdays. You can reach us through our website, thuheal.com. And we're also, we also offer personalized retreats. So with all the type of therapy we do here, sometimes people want to do an intensive program. And so we do a custom program based on what your needs are, either short or long term. So we have some people that come from out of state, and we'll do like a weekend thing. We've had people who've come and stayed for as much as a month and had, you know, massive transformations and healing. So yeah, hit us up, let us know what your needs are, and we're happy to help. Thank you.